Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello students, now welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Today I am going to start exercise 3.1 from the chapter expansion. So here sum number 1. Now here sum number 1, the first one is 2x plus 7y whole square. Okay. So here you apply the formula a plus b whole square, and the formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that means here 2x equal to a and 7y equal to b. So first write down a square, that means 2x plus whole square. Then 2ab, that means 2 into 2x into 7y plus b square. Now b square means 7y whole square. So that equal to 4x square plus 2 into 4 and 4 7 28. So 28xy plus 49y square. So that is the answer, 4x square plus 28xy plus 49y square. Now the next one, in sum number 2 2. So in sum number 2 2, here 3x square y plus 5z whole square. So that means this one equal to a and this one equal to b. So a plus b whole square formula. So first write down 3x square y whole square, that means a square, then 2 into a into b, so 2 into a into b, and last one is 5z whole square, that means b square. So that equal to 9. Now x square whole square, so 2 into 2 4, so 9x to the power 4, then y square, so y square, then 2 into 3 6 into 5 30, then x square y z. Last one, 5 square means 25 and z square means z square. That is the answer. Now the next one, sum number 3 1. So in sum number 3 1, 3x minus 1 by 2x whole square. That means here we can apply the formula a minus b whole square. So formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that means 3x whole square as a square minus 2, that is a, and that one is equal to b, so 2ab plus b square. Now b square means 1 by 2x whole square. So here 3x square means 9x square minus, now 2 cancel out, x also, so only 3 plus, now 1 by 2x whole square. So 1 square means 1 square and 2x whole square. Now 2 square means 4 and x square means x square. So that is the answer. Now next one, in sum number 4 2. So in sum number 4 2, here x plus 3 into x minus 5. Okay, you have to just multiply these two terms, x plus 3 into x minus 5. So first you have to multiply x with these two terms, that means x plus 3 into x, then here minus, so put down here minus, and next 5 into this one, so x plus 3 into 5. So that equal to x into x, x square, x into 3 plus 3x. Second one, x into 5, that equal to minus 5x, and then 5 into 3 15, as here minus, so minus 15. So here x square, now 3x minus 5x, that becomes minus 2x minus 15. So that equal to answer. Now sum number 5, sum number 5 2. So here 2x minus 3y plus 4z whole square. So here we can apply this formula a plus b plus c whole square. The formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into, in bracket, ab plus bc plus ca. That means here 2x equal to a, 3y equal to b, and 4z equal to c. So first one is a square, that means 2x whole square. Second one is b square. Now here a plus b and here minus, so just write down here plus, and b consider, and b minus 3y consider as b. Okay, so write down minus 3y whole square. Then last one, c square. C square means 4z whole square. Now next 2 into, first one ab. Now a means 2x and b means minus 3y. So 2x into minus 3y. Second one bc. So minus 3y into c means 4z. And last one ca. Now 4z into 2x. So that equal to 4x square. Here minus whole square, so minus will be observed, and that equal to 9y square. and here 4z square, that means 16z square. Here 2, now here 2x into 3y, so minus 6xy. Here minus 12yz, and last one 8zx. So that equal to 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square minus 12xy minus 24yz and plus 16zx. That is the final answer. Now sum number 6-2. In sum number 6-2, first write down a square, that means 2 by 3x whole square. Second one b square. Now b square is minus 3 by 2x, that equal to b square. And third one is minus 1 whole square, that is c square. So according to the problem, now 2 into ab. So ab means 2 by 3x into minus 3 by 2x plus bc. Now bc means minus 3 by 2x into minus 1. And third one ca. ca means minus 1 into 2 by 3x. So that equal to 4x square by 9. Here minus also, so minus square, so that means minus will be vanish. So now here 9 by 4x square, last one 1. Then here as 2 cancel out, 3 cancel out, so here now x also, so that equal to only minus 1. Here minus into minus, so plus, so plus 3 by 2x. And the last one here minus, so write down here only minus, so minus 2 by 3x. So that means the final answer is 4x square by 9 plus 9 by 4x square plus 1 minus 2, then plus 2 into 3 by 2x. Now 2 cancel out, so finally 3 by x, and last one 2 into 2, so minus 4 by 3x. Now here plus 1 and minus 1, so that means 4x square by 9 plus 9 by 4x square, then 3 by x, then minus 4 by 3x, and here plus 1 minus 1, and that becomes minus 1. So now sum number 7. In sum number 7-2, through a plus b whole cube. That means here you can apply the formula a plus b whole cube. And the formula is a cube, that means 2a whole cube, plus 3 into a square b. So as a square equal to 2a, so 2a square, now b equal to b. Then the formula will be 3ab square. So 3ab square means 3 into a and b square, so that equal to b square. And last one is b cube, that means b whole cube. So the final formula a plus b whole cube, the formula is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. That is the formula. So here 2a cube means 8a cube, and here 2 square means 4, so 4a square. Now 4 into 3, that equal to 12, so 12a square b. Here 3 into 2, 6, 6ab square, and last one is b cube. So that is the answer. Now sum number 8. So here sum number 8. In sum number 8, the first one, 3x plus 1 by x whole cube. That means here you can also apply the formula a plus b whole cube formula. So here 3x equal to a and 1 by x equal to b. So first a cube, then plus 3 into a square into b, then 3 into a into b square, the last one b cube. So that equal to 27x cube, and here 3 into 3 square means 9, so 9 into 3, 27, so 27x square into 1 by x, plus here 3 into 3, 9, and x into 1 by x whole square, so 1 by x cube. Now x square cancel out, here x square cancel out, so finally 27x cube plus 27x plus 9 by x plus 1 by x cube. That is the final answer. Now sum number 9. In sum number 9, 5x minus 3y whole cube, that means a minus b whole cube formula. So here 5x equal to a and 3y equal to b, and the formula is first a cube, that means 5x whole cube, then minus 3a square b, so minus 3 a square and b, then plus 3ab square. So first write down a and then b square. Okay, so here b square means 3 by y whole square, and the last one is minus b cube. Remember that, so that means 3y whole cube. Okay, so 5x whole cube, that means 125x cube. Here minus, now 3 into 3 9 and 5 square. Okay, 5 square means 25, so 25 into 9, that becomes 225, and x square, so x square and y. Then 3 square means 9, and here 3 into 5, 3 into 5 15. Now 15 into 9, that becomes 135, and x, and here y square means, so y square. And last one 3 cube, that means 27, and y cube, so y cube. So final answer is 125x cube minus 225x square y plus 135xy square minus 27y cube. Now sum number 10. In sum number 10, simplify the following. So first one is a plus b whole square, and second one a minus b whole square. So as a plus b whole square, the formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and here a minus b whole square, the formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 2ab and 2ab will cancel out. So here 2a square and 2b square. So we can write here 2 common, a square plus b square. That is the answer. Now similarly 11 2. Okay, so 11 2 here a plus 1 by a whole square minus a minus 1 by a whole square. So the same formula, a plus b whole square formula. So a square plus 2 into a into 1 by a plus 1 by a square. Here minus. Okay, remember that here minus. So minus a square. Now minus 2a into 1 by a, as minus is outside, so minus into minus, that become plus. So I write down here plus 2 into a into 1 by a, and here plus 1 by a b square, but as minus is outside of this bracket, so here minus 1 by a square. So for here the minus is outside of the bracket, the sign will be changed. So here a cancel out, here a cancel out, and here minus a square minus a square, so cancel out. Here plus 1 by square minus 1 by square, that equal to also. So here only 2, and here also plus 2. So 2 plus 2, that equal to 4. So 4 is the final answer. So here now sum number 12 2. As 4x plus 3y whole square minus 4x minus 3y whole square minus 48xy. Okay, so first you have to break down this formula as a plus b whole square, and this one a minus b whole square. So a plus b whole square, that means 4x whole square plus 2 into 4x into 3y, and last one 3y whole square. Here also, so 4x whole square minus 2 into 4x into 3y, and last one 3y whole square, and last one is 48xy. Okay, so 4x whole square, that means 16x square plus 2 into 4 8, so 8 into 3 24, so 24xy, and last one 9y square. Here also minus 16x square, as minus into minus, so plus 24xy, and third one plus minus a minus, so 3, so 9y square minus 48xy. So 9y square cancel out, 16x square also, and here 24x square y, 24xy plus 24xy, that means 48xy, and here also minus 14xy, so that equal to 0. So 0 is the final answer.